Hello guys, today we will be creating a simple Minecraft launcher in Python. We will be able to install any version we want, as well as launching the game and taking some parameters of it. So first of all, we'll install minecraft-launcher-lib. I have already installed, but if you are using PyCharm, you can get here into Python packages and search for minecraft-launcher-lib and then install it. And if you are using other type of IDE, you can just write into your terminal, if install minecraft-launcher-lib. So first of all, let's import it. Import the library, yes, MC to shorten out a little bit the name, and then import the sub process, which will help us later in the future to launch the game. First of all, get the main directory of the game. Get Minecraft directory. Also, we will need to get information from the available versions that we can download to the utils. Get available versions and pass them MC_. We have to get them also the directory, because it will also tell us the version we have installed. Now let's declare two variables: version list, where we will put our available versions from the web, the version we can install. It's an array, and available version list, where we will put the versions we have installed. Now let's continue with the first function. Install version. Create something to install the version we want. Concretely, we will get the information from all the versions on the web, tweak some things, because this returns us a dictionary, and we will just get the information we need. So for version in all version info, we will just get the release versions. But if you want to, you can skip the if, and you just can write this. Check this out. What this does is get all the versions, including snapshots and betas. So int released letter installed version. As you can see, this gets us all the versions, including snapshots. But if we add here, if version type equals release, this will get us just the normal versions without snapshots. If you remove the if, you can get everything. Then we'll print out the versions with a number index, which later will help us choose what version we want to install. So for index, also version in enumerate version list. Enumerate just tells us the index of the array. Just print index and version. So what this does is print every version available with a number index outside, then select. And let's finish it, getting the version index from the user. Equals to int input. Let's convert the input that we get for int for an integer to then get the index of the array. So what version you want to install, and then we'll get the number and install it with mc.install install Minecraft version, the version, and the Minecraft directory. And just for a debug purpose, or for the users to know, we will print that installed successfully. Perfect. Now let's get to launch the version. Launch version. So how this works is we need a dictionary with all the data we want to execute the game with. For example, username. Username will be input. Write your username. Then we also need or we messed up here. We'll also need a UUID, which is an identifier for the game to work. This doesn't need to be verified, so we can just head to Google and write UUID generator. And copy wherever we have. Paste it. And the last thing is a token. The name needs to run, but because we don't have a Minecraft account, we cannot use we cannot right now use a Minecraft account with the launcher because we haven't implemented. We can use anything for the token, like the word token. Now we have the settings done. Perfect. Now that's similar to this. Let's implement immersive selection for index version in enumerate mc.utils.get install versions and pass the mc directly. Bring index also the version ID as well as appending the versions you want to write in the edit folder. The key of the ID you want to change later. Let's see, execute version ID. Perfect. Now we want to select the version we want to play. So cell version equals to select the version int input, similar to how we have done it before. Select the version you want to play, then done. And to finish this up, to finish the version function, let's get Minecraft command. Minecraft command equals mc.command.get Minecraft command. Also, let's pass the available version list with the index of the version you want to play, the version, the Minecraft directory, MC there, and to finish it up, settings. Run Minecraft command. This passes a command to subprocess for it to execute the game. It converts all the data we have collected from here, converts it to a code the machine can interpret it. And just to finish things up, let's create a main function, that main, and if the input of want to show any version, yes or no, equals what dot upper to add compatibility equals to yes upper install or execute the install version command, install version function. So and then we finish everything. After things are installed, or if we don't want to install anything, we just launch the version, execute this command, this function, sorry. If main equals main, execute main. We have it finished. Do I want to install any version? I want to install 1.13, which is number 34. Have it. Version installed successfully with my name, Shadow. But version I want to play 1.13, which is number 2. And done. With this, we have our Minecraft launcher finished and working. Like the video if you liked it, and consider subscribing. This will help me out a lot. And that's everything for it. Bye.